If something exploded in your microwave, let me show you the easiest way to clean it. The most important part is that you use a microwave-safe glass bowl or measuring cup. It'll specifically say at the bottom, microwave safe. Now, if you don't have either, one of these baking dishes, also glass, will say microwave safe. Use that. Let's fill this guy up with warm water about half of the way full. I'm gonna slice a lemon in half and squeeze it right into that water, and then I'm gonna add the lemon in. If you don't have a lemon, you can use a lime or even a orange. It's the citrus oil that's going to help release that grease from your microwave. I'm gonna add the dish with the lemon water in my microwave and let it go for 10 full minutes without opening the door. This is going to create steam inside combined with that citrus oil, and it's going to help release all of that grease. By the way, if you have a low-powered microwave, you may want to give it another 2 to 4 more minutes to build extra steam. When it's done, I'm gonna remove that from the microwave, then take that glass tray out, and it's going to wash so easy with minimal effort. All right. Now we come back to our microwave with a wet cleaning cloth, and we're going to quickly wipe down the worst of the worst surfaces, starting from the ceiling to the sides, everything that's caked in really well. Now you just put your microwave back together, and just like that, you've got a clean microwave. By the way, I'm Laura Fuentes, and on my channel, I share all the kitchen skills that moms just know, real life recipes, and the very best pancakes. Subscribe for more.